Assalamu alaikum guys. Today my mom is going to be making chicken karahi. So here are all the ingredients you need to make chicken karahi. First you need 1 kg chicken. Then you need half cup oil. Then you need 4 tomatoes. Then you need 1 tablespoon salt. Then you need 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon whole garam masala, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon dry kasuri methi, and for garnishing you need lemon and ginger with some garam masala powder. First heat the oil. Put it in the pan. Then add the salt to the oil. Your chicken to the oil and salt.